Hey there, video enthusiasts! Do you ever run into these frustrating problems? Faces in your vlogs always seem a bit blurry. Your face isn't clear enough during video calls. Or maybe cherished family videos are so low quality that you can barely make out people's faces. Today, we're diving into a game-changing solution for all these issues: iVideo face enhancement software. When we shoot videos, faces are almost always the absolute focus. But for various reasons, like low light, camera shake, recording with older equipment, or even video conference compression, faces in your footage can end up blurry, noisy, or lacking fine detail. Traditional post-processing methods, such as manual sharpening or noise reduction, often eat up a lot of time and can easily make the image look unnatural, sometimes even giving it a plastic feel, without genuinely recovering lost details. Fortunately, ad technology has brought us a revolutionary solution. iVideo enhancement software uses deep learning algorithms to intelligently identify face regions in your video and then optimize them specifically. These tools aren't just about simple sharpening or noise reduction. By learning from massive datasets, they can handle all sorts of facial blur issues. Smart deblurring restores facial blur caused by motion or being out of focus. Deep noise reduction erase grain from low light or ISO footage while preserving facial details. Detail reconstruction guesses and reconstructs lost facial textures and contours due to low resolution or compression. Skin tone optimization makes skin tones look more natural and healthy. The best part, these operations usually take just seconds or minutes, and you don't need any professional photo editing or video editing skills. Among the many iVideo enhancement tools available, I want to specifically recommend vidhex Video Enhancer today. While it's an all-around video enhancer, it performs exceptionally well when it comes to processing faces in your videos. vidhex provides powerful AI models that can intelligently recognize and optimize faces within your footage. It effectively removes overall video blur and noise, which directly means your face will appear much clearer and cleaner. For instance, you could see yourself more sharply in a live stream replay, or make the faces of loved ones in old family VCR recordings clearly discernible. Its operation is incredibly simple. You can get it done with just one click. Just import your video, select the face model option on the right, and vidhex will automatically handle the processing. What's more, it supports cloud acceleration, so even if your computer isn't top tier, you can still enjoy fast and efficient video processing. For those who frequently work with large video files, this is truly a godsend. Whether it's for your vlogs, live streams, bringing old family videos back to life, or looking more professional in video conferences, vidhex Video Enhancer can be your go-to tool. It ensures every face in your videos appears clearer, more vivid, and natural. iVideo enhancement technology, especially easy-to-use and efficient tools like vidhex Video Enhancer, is fundamentally changing the way we process video quality, allowing faces to appear at their best in any video. If you're looking to make faces in your videos truly shine, go ahead and click the link below the video to experience the powerful features of vidhex Video Enhancer for yourself. And if today's video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for all our latest updates. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.